plan is to try and find a place to camp where we can either monitor the road and see somebody coming in, or they can see us. Doesn't seem windy out there right now.
Not too bad, at least. Not compared to what we've been dealing with.
Right? But all of a sudden it just dies down. Hey, I'll take it.
It's like shipping containers?
Or something, I'm not sure. Mining equipment, probably of some sort.
Stop here and take a look around for a second. First pull off up here, it looks like.
It's definitely windy out there.
Doug's want to go for a little walk. You still moving that way, or you stop?
I'm still moving. It's just slow going, a narrow trail.
Oh, I see I see you now. You're almost to the road. So if you look up that road, it goes straight for a while and then turns left, and it kind of peaks in there. It looks like it might be a good spot, maybe right in there.
Yeah, I'm on it now.
All right, I'll let you know.
Yeah, really not going any farther than here. It's a rock cliff drop. If you had an ATV, it'd be fine, but I don't think any of us are going down this. This is about it right here. There's only 2 or 3 spots in here, maybe 1 or 2.
Well, bummer. All right, well, if it wasn't for this wind, I'd say just about anywhere. All right, well, let's head north and see if we can find anything that way.
I'll head back towards you guys. When I went over that hill, I didn't really see much of anything. It just flattened right back out.
All right, we're gonna head north. Everybody else listening?
Yep, sounds good.
All right, well, see if we can find a home. If we're on the other side, we can see him coming in on the railroad tracks. So then we could probably even talk to him on the radio, because it's both going to be monitoring the radio.
Yeah.
Jamie, did you see where we turned?
I'm almost caught up. I'm about 300 yards away.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure you didn't get lost.
Kind of hard to do out here.
Right. Well, it's a place to camp, but can't see anybody from the railroad or anything.
Doesn't sound like we're out of the wind.
No. Actually, now that I'm over here, it's pretty windy. Might be better up next to the hill there. It's not really that easy.
I think everybody's gonna have a flat tent.
Yeah, it's pretty windy. Well, I don't know. Let's continue on and see if we can find something else. If I didn't have any other people coming in, I'd say we just drive until we find something. But we'd be on the north side at some point. Well, I guess we'll just drive down the road a little bit and see if we see anything. If not, we'll just come back. We can see the railroad tracks where we're at. I can see them driving in on that at least. Or I just go sit at the road for a while this evening.
I wish we knew what, like, time he was coming.
Yeah, that helps us out.
Did you say Wolfgang's supposed to be coming today or tomorrow?
Coming tonight.
Can you have the radio?
Yeah. I don't remember if he said GRMF or CB though. I think it's GRMF. If we can find a place where we can tuck in on the lead side here, we can watch the railroad tracks and be able to hit them. That is not looking promising.
It's not. I thought, I was like, oh, we're coming up over this ridge line, and it'll duck back down.
It's Chad's fault. Hey!
Well, I guess the next question, anybody got phone service?
No, not yet.
If you call them, I got their numbers.
I have one bar.
You say you got a bar?
Yeah. It's between 1 and 2.
Well, that's a Wolfgang, that's service.
That's true. Let's see if I got service here.
5G if you want to come grab the phone.
Nope, I don't get service.
You want me to lead or you lead? Okay. Walk on up here, George. I got Wayne on the phone. Well, everything seems to be coming together now.
You were able to talk to him?
Yeah.
You would have to go and jinx us like that.
And it's all Chad's fault.
Here's the Falcon he was talking about.
A Ford Falcon?
Yep.
Looks like it's out of its Falcon mine. Left turn. Yeah, there's cactus all over the place there.
I'll be damned, I must have had so much dirt in my eye I couldn't tell.
Probably stepped on it and everything else.
And we need more cowbell. I got a fever. A fever for more cowbell.
Gotta have more cowbell.
Just a little bit.
Fancy meeting you guys here. I guess I'll drive up a little bit and see if there's a spot.
He said right in here is the best spot.
Want me to pull in front of you then?
That's fine with me. I'm here where I'm at, so I'm good.
What do you have on your mouth?
All right. Now, yeah.
And so I got it for my last phone, but that phone was the first phone I ever spent like actual money on, and it was a piece of trash. So I went back to getting $70 phones. Propane tank.
Yeah. Chad pointed that out when we came in here. We need some firewood because there's some firewood.
We gave him crap all day long.
We get to see the trail in person.
It's pretty nice. I was following behind it going, gee George, his is a lot shinier and bigger.
Yeah, it's queen size bed in there, and then he's also got a shitter in there.
You're kidding.
He does. And a galley on the back.
Well.
I want my money back.